Meaning of former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia.
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 Former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia. Former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia, also known as FYROM, is a country located in the Balkan Peninsula in Southeast Europe. The name Former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia reflects the country's complicated history and ongoing disputes about its name. In 1991, the country declared independence from Yugoslavia, but Greece has objected to the name Macedonia because it has a region with the same name. To resolve this dispute, the United Nations recognized the country as the former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia. The name is still controversial, and the country is currently undergoing a process to adopt a new name.